The Honda NSX is a legend in its own right. Known for its combination of supercar performance and everyday usability, the NSX quickly earned the respect of enthusiasts and collectors alike. Its balanced handling, bulletproof reliability, and mid-engine layout made it a favorite among those who wanted the thrill of a Ferrari, but without the massive maintenance bills that often come with it. Back in the 1990s, the press often referred to it as a poor man's Ferrari. While this was mostly a tongue-in-cheek comparison, one Swiss NSX owner decided to take that label way too literally. The result is a truly unique car, a Honda NSX turned Ferrari 360 Modena replica. But unlike the typical copycat car builds that rely on cheap imitation parts, this one is surprisingly well executed. The owner's mission wasn't just to build a cheaper Ferrari lookalike, but to create a reliable, affordable alternative to the Ferrari 360 that didn't sacrifice performance or style. The end product, dubbed the Ferrari 361, takes the best parts of both the NSX and the Ferrari 360, blending them into a single, eye-catching machine. The first thing you'll notice about this car is its stunning transformation. The bodywork has been completely reworked to resemble the Ferrari 360, with subtle touches that make it stand out. The builder didn't go for cheap, off-the-shelf imitation parts. Instead, original Ferrari components were sourced, including mirror caps and lighting units, ensuring authenticity. The car sits on original Werkmeister S1 alloy wheels, 17 inches up front, 18 inches in the back, further enhancing its appearance. Inside, the transformation continues. The cabin has been reupholstered with fine leather and red Alcantara, while the iconic Ferrari prancing horse emblem adorns the seatbacks. Titanium door sills carry genuine Ferrari plates, and you'll also find a Momo steering wheel, aftermarket infotainment upgrades, and carbon-style accents on the center console. It's a nod to the Ferrari 360's luxurious feel, but with the reliability and performance of the Honda NSX. Under the hood, the NSX's original 3.0-liter VTEC V6 engine remains, albeit with a bit of tuning. The engine now produces 296 horsepower, a respectable output that keeps the car feeling lively on the road. While it doesn't have the raw power of a Ferrari V8, the NSX's V6 engine is known for its durability and precision. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a manual gearbox, and the addition of a stainless steel valve exhaust system ensures that the car has the kind of exhaust note Ferrari enthusiasts will appreciate. The car, with 98,562 kilometers on the clock, is in top condition after just undergoing a major service. It has been with the same owner for 18 years, making it an incredibly well-maintained example of an NSX. The car also comes with the original Swiss registration documents and Honda service booklet, which adds to its value and authenticity. Despite the extensive makeover, this Ferrari NSX replica is priced at €75,000, which puts in the same price range as a real Ferrari 360 Modena. However, it's likely to be far more affordable to maintain than a Ferrari, making it a tempting option for those who want the Ferrari experience without the astronomical bills. This Ferrari NSX is located in Switzerland, but arrangements can be made for a handover in Germany. The seller, who owns a collection of 17 cars, is even open to trade-ins, whether it's another sports car or a pickup. With its eye-catching looks, reliable performance, and affordable price, this unique Honda NSX is a standout in the world of sports car replicas.